Investing can seem complicated. You hear about big platforms, brokerage fees, and managing your own portfolio, and it can feel overwhelming. Then there's Raiz, a micro-investing app that promises to simplify everything. But how does it really stack up against traditional investing? Traditional investing platforms, like Vanguard or Fidelity, are built for people who want direct control. You open an account, deposit a lump sum, and then you're in the driver's seat. You get to research and choose specific stocks, bonds, or ETFs to build your portfolio. This gives you a high degree of personalization, but it also comes with more responsibility. You're the one making the decisions, rebalancing your portfolio, and paying attention to the market. Fees on these platforms can be a mix of things: brokerage commissions per trade, management fees, or a percentage of your total assets. They can be great for experienced investors or those with larger sums of money to invest. Now, let's look at Raiz. Its philosophy is all about making investing effortless. The core feature is roundups. You link your bank account, and every time you make a purchase, Raiz rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's a passive way to start building wealth without even thinking about it. Unlike traditional platforms where you pick individual assets, Raiz uses a robo-advisor model. You choose from a set of pre-built, diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive. Raiz handles the rest, automatically investing your roundups and lump sum deposits into a mix of ETFs, which can include things like stocks, bonds, and even Bitcoin. The key difference here is the set-it-and-forget-it nature. You're not actively managing your portfolio. Traditional platforms often have per trade commissions or a percentage-based fee that can be a high dollar amount for larger portfolios, but very small on a percentage basis. Raiz has a fixed monthly fee for smaller accounts, which can feel steep if you're only investing a few dollars a month. However, for balances over a certain amount, it switches to a percentage fee that can be very competitive with other robo-advisors. So, which one is for you? If you're a beginner, or someone who struggles to save and wants a low-effort way to get started, Raiz Roundup feature and preset portfolios are a major benefit. It's a gateway to investing that takes the intimidation out of the process. For those who want more control, the ability to handpick their investments, and have a more hands-on approach, traditional platforms offer the freedom and tools to build a highly customized portfolio. Ultimately, both have their place. It all comes down to your personal investing style, your financial goals, and how much control you want over your money.